Looking for a reliable tool to tackle all your electrical measurements with precision? Digital clamp meters have come a long way, making it easier than ever to measure current, voltage, resistance, and more without ever touching live wires. Whether you're a professional electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants accurate readings for home projects, the right clamp meter can save you time, boost safety, and improve efficiency. But there are multiple types of clamp meters. Which one should you buy? We're breaking down the top 5 best digital clamp meters on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the ANENG Digital Clamp Meter. If you're looking for a budget-friendly clamp meter that doesn't compromise on features, the ANENG Digital Clamp Meter is the game changer. It's designed to make measuring AC current, AC and DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diodes, and frequency quick, easy, and accurate. Perfect for both DIYers and casual electricians. What makes the ANENG clamp meter so handy is its double open clamp design. You can measure wires up to 1.42 inches in diameter without interrupting the circuit, making it safe and convenient to use on almost any cable. The NCV non-contact voltage detection function lets you quickly check for live wires, adding an extra layer of safety while troubleshooting electrical issues. You'll love how portable and durable it is. The stylish protective design prevents scratches or damage from drops, making it easy to carry around for work or outdoor projects. The large backlit display ensures clear readings even in dim lighting, so you never miss a measurement. This meter comes with everything you need to get started: the multimeter, 2 AAA batteries, combination leads, alligator clips, puncture needles, a test lead, instruction manual, and a handy storage bag to keep it all organized. ANENG also provides full technical support, so you can buy with confidence. Looking for a clamp meter that's affordable, versatile, and built for everyday troubleshooting? The ANENG Digital Clamp Meter could be the smartest, budget-friendly tool you add to your toolkit. The 4th place on our list is Proster PDM-6000NCV. The Proster Digital Clamp Meter 6000 count is one of the most reliable and feature-packed multimeters you can grab. It's designed for both professionals and DIYers. It makes measuring AC and DC current, voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, temperature, diode testing, and continuity simple, accurate, and safe. With true RMS technology, you'll get precise readings whether you're working in a lab, factory, vehicle, or around the house. The auto-ranging function takes the guesswork out of selecting the right scale, while the NCV non-contact voltage feature lets you detect live wires safely without touching the circuit. You'll love the clamp measuring capability. The jaw opens to 28 millimeters, so you can safely measure AC current on mains cables or high current loads without interrupting the circuit. Continuity testing is made safe and easy with overload protection and visual alarms that alert you to live wires or voltages between 90 volts to 1000 volts. Visibility is never an issue. The high-resolution, large backlit LCD and built-in clamp light make reading measurements in dark or tight spaces a breeze. Also, the meter automatically powers off after 15 minutes to conserve battery life. The Proster clamp meter comes with a soft zippered pouch to keep the meter, test leads, and alligator clips organized and portable. Whether you're troubleshooting electrical issues, checking circuits in vehicles, or handling household projects, this meter gives you professional-grade accuracy and convenience in one compact package. Looking for a clamp meter that's accurate, versatile, and built for everyday use? The Proster Digital Clamp Meter 6000 count clamp meter might be the ideal choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Klein CL390. The Klein Tools CL390 AC and DC Digital Clamp Meter is one of the most feature-packed and reliable meters you can grab. It's made for professionals and serious DIYers alike. It gives you precise, accurate readings across a huge range of measurements, all in one compact, durable tool. With its auto-ranging True RMS, TRMS technology, you can measure AC and DC current and NCVT right from the clamp, while AC and DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, capacitance, diodes, and even DC microamps are handled easily through the test leads. Temperature? No problem, you can measure it with the included thermocouple probe. You'll love the high visibility, reverse contrast LCD display, which makes readings easy to see in bright daylight or dimly lit spaces. The integrated NCVT function lets you test for live wires without touching them, adding a layer of safety and convenience. There's even a side test lead holder and optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation, so you can focus on the task at hand. This meter also comes loaded with handy extras, max and min, relative and zero, and data hold capabilities, plus auto power off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. The package includes a carrying case, test leads with Cat 3 and Cat 4 safety caps, thermocouple, and 3 AAA batteries, so you're ready to go right out of the box. For over 160 years, Klein Tools has been crafting professional-grade, American-made tools that stand up to the toughest jobs. With the CL390, you're not just getting a meter, you're getting a reliable, precision instrument built to last. Looking for a clamp meter that's accurate, versatile, and built for the pros? The Klein CL390 could be the perfect pick. The second product on our list is the Fluke 323. If you're looking for a premium clamp meter that professionals trust, the Fluke 323 is a clear standout. It's built for commercial and residential electricians. This meter delivers reliable performance and accuracy when you need it most. What makes the Fluke 323 so special is its true RMS sensing technology. Whether you're measuring linear or non-linear loads, you'll get precise readings every time. No guesswork, no surprises. You can measure AC current up to 400 amps, AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, and resistance up to 4 kilo ohms. The audible continuity sensor makes it simple to confirm if a circuit is live, while the jaw opens wide enough to clamp around cables up to 30 millimeters without touching or interrupting the circuit. Safety and durability are at the heart of this meter. It meets IEC 61010-1 standards and is rated for Cat 4 300 volts and Cat 3 600 volts environments, so you can work confidently, even in demanding electrical settings. The Fluke 323 also comes with a soft carrying case and a 2-year warranty, making it easy to store, transport, and rely on for years to come. Whether you're troubleshooting tight cable compartments or performing everyday electrical checks, the Fluke 323 is built to handle the job with precision and ease. For anyone serious about accurate, professional-grade measurements, this Fluke 323 clamp meter simply delivers in style. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Kywitz KC604. The Kywitz Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter is the best overall digital clamp meter tool you can grab for any electrical project. It's designed to give you precise AC and DC readings, all in a compact, user-friendly design. With its D-shaped jaw that opens up to 1.1 inches, you can easily clamp onto a variety of cables without hassle. It accurately measures AC and DC current and voltage, temperature, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, and even test diodes. Also, the true RMS technology ensures precise readings every time, making it perfect for your home, automotive, or industrial projects. You'll love the non-contact voltage NCV feature. It helps detect live wires safely and quickly, with audible and visual alarms that get faster as voltage increases. The built-in flashlight and LCD backlight make reading measurements easy, even in dim spaces, and the handy test lead storage keeps everything organized. It also automatically powers off after 15 minutes to save battery life. This meter comes with full safety certifications, IEC 61010-1 and Cat 3 600 volts, and even alerts you if voltage exceeds 80 volts or current is over 1 ampere. It includes a carry case, 2 sets of leads, a thermocouple for temperature measurements, and full customer support for 36 months plus lifetime technical help. Looking for a clamp meter that's accurate, durable, and packed with features for DIYers, electricians, and pros alike? The Kywitz Digital Clamp Meter could be the smartest tool you add to your toolbox. That's all for our list of the 5 best digital clamp meters on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.